Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into SharePoint in 2025, you might find yourself needing to update a site name for better organization or branding. Don't worry, it's a simple process that can be done in just a few minutes. Whether you're an admin for a business or managing personal sites, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get it right the first time. First things first, make sure you have the necessary permissions. You'll need to be a SharePoint administrator or have site owner rights. Start by logging into your Microsoft 365 account and heading straight to the SharePoint Admin Center. This is your hub for managing all site-related tasks. Once you're in, navigate to the Active Sites section. Here, you'll see a list of all your SharePoint sites. Find the one you want to rename and click on it to open the details. Look for the Site Information, or Properties, tab. That's where the magic happens. In the Properties section, you'll spot the field for the site name. Simply click on it, type in your new name, and hit Save. SharePoint might take a second to process the change, so give it a moment. After that, refresh the page or go back to your site list to confirm the update. A quick tip. If you encounter any errors, like permission denials, double-check your access levels or try clearing your browser cache. Also, remember that changing the site name won't affect links, documents, or other content inside it. It's just a cosmetic update. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your SharePoint site name in 2025. This small tweak can make a big difference in keeping your digital space tidy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.